Nestled in the upscale Jardines del Pedregal district of Mexico City, Lluvia House redefines modern living. Designed by PPAA, this two-story black residence seamlessly blends nature with architecture. Inspired by Luis Barragan's master plan, the home's courtyards and double-height spaces fill the interior with natural light and tranquility, making it a masterpiece of airy sophistication. Occupying a 1,076 square meter site, Lluvia House integrates lush greenery into its design. The 600 square meter residence features rectilinear volumes with voids that create serene courtyards. These spaces bring the forest-like garden indoors, dissolving boundaries between nature and structure. The result? A bright, open environment that's as functional as it is breathtaking. Encased in black Corov-coated concrete, the exterior exudes boldness. Inside, light-toned finishes and teak accents provide warmth and contrast. Skylights and white oak details enhance the modern aesthetic. Rooms are arranged across 2 levels, connected by a sandblasted marble staircase, with both private and public spaces designed for seamless living. Lluvia House by PPAA exemplifies harmony between architecture and nature. With its striking black facade, airy courtyards, and thoughtfully designed interiors, it's more than a home, it's an experience. A tribute to modernist roots and contemporary innovation, Lluvia House stands as a beacon of sophisticated, nature-infused living in the heart of Mexico City.